Hi, welcome to another video of Discounts series. In this video we will discuss about Wondershare PDFelement discount coupon code. So, before we start you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so you never miss any update from CB9 in future. First of all, go to craftail.pk website and click on Deals and Coupons button. The link is in description below. Here click on Wondershare Store and find PDFelement coupon. When you find it, then right-click on it and open it in new tab. Here click on Click to Reveal button and copy the code. Now visit the link which appear in pop-up button. Here click on Buy Now button. Choose your plan which you want and click on Buy Now button again. The checkout page will appear. Here in coupon box paste your coupon and click Apply. Congratulations! You have successfully saved 20% off on this deal. Now fill your information and complete the purchase. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from CB9 in future.